delete your Google search history on Android in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to click on the more in the top right corner, bottom right corner, and when you click on the more, and then you have to click on the search history, and search history like this, and when you click on this it will load for some time, and then you come to this page, and here you can see the here in the delete section you can see you have to click on the delete, and here you can see the delete auto delete on the delete custom range. You have to click on the delete custom range, and then you can select the dates, and you can select the dates between the and any of the dates, and the search history between these dates are deleted. So you can also do this by method, and you can delete all time. You can delete auto delete on 3 months, and if you want to delete this data, then you have to the whole the data of a day. You have to in the firstly in the title of the day, you can see the day title, you can see the cut icon. You can click on the cut icon, then you can delete all the that search history of the data of that day. And here you can see in this day, you can see the if you want to delete the date of 17 May Google search history, then you have to click on the in the right side of the 17 May, you can see the cut icon. You have to click on the cut icon, and then you can delete all the data of the 17 May. If you want to delete the search history individually, it means you have to delete only one, two, or three. You don't want to delete the whole search history of any day. You have to click on this then, and you can delete the search history of this day individually. And here you can see you have to click on this, and if you want to delete the whole search history of this day, you have to click on this you can see the this date, and here you can see the in the right side of this date you can see the cut icon. You have to click on the cut icon, and now the search history of this day will be deleted. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.